Mummy, there's a truck over there that has broken down.
But this is... Oh, which car?
It's my red tractor, which is parked over by the potty. Can you see the red tractor?
Oh, it's stuck on that green truck.
Yes, there's been a terrible crash. We were driving along and we crashed into a little green truck and an orange car.
I think I can fix it.
Really? Right now?
Yeah. Can you see that noise? That's my engine. Go to touch it, not dirty.
Okay, which bit is the engine?
That bit.
Okay. Oh yes, the engine's very hot. Why is the engine hot?
Because I've been driving a long day fast.
Ah,
Or see if I crash in something.
right. Did you have a crash?
I didn't
You didn't, good.
put this hook on my engine here.
Right, okay.
Can you see something in my engine?
No, I can't actually. But then,
But long ago, I broke. Long time ago, listen what I was talking about. This long time ago, this belonged to be someone else's truck.
oh, a long time ago, this truck used to belong to somebody else.
Yeah,
Ah,
come with me.
okay. Shall I jump on?
And you can jump in this too.
Okay. I'll go just there. I'll hold on tightly.
But my truck goes bit slowly, a bit fast as well.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Do you think it might have a crash?
No, it won't. Got a hook in the back.
Ah,
But it might tip. It might tip out.
right. What does the hook do?
Have about me. Mommy! Help!
Oh, more people are getting into the truck, are they?
Have about me! Have about me! Woo!
Hey, Isaac, what does the hook do?
It bends.
Oh, I thought you said the hook stopped the truck from crashing.
Hook stuff for crashing.
But how does it work?
It just hooks on the other car and hooks on the other car and hooks and the other car hooks on the other car.
Oh, are you talking about a tow? Does it tow other cars along?
Yeah,
Okay, like a pickup truck.
yeah.
Oh, I see. Oh, everybody's getting on. It looks like a bit of a squash in there.
Mommy!
There's going to be nobody left in the house.
Anybody else in this house want to have a ride in this big truck?
Is the baby in there?
No.
What about the animals that live in the cellar?
They might break my hook.
Oh, they might break the hook, right. Why don't you open the other side of the doll's house? Oh, who is it? The animals. I think everybody in the...
Look at me, I'm in the window.
Oh, he's got stuck in the window.
Who's that? Oh, hey, look at me.
I think your truck's ready to go now, Isaac. People are getting impatient.
What?
Pardon?
What?
Pardon? I think your truck's ready to go now.
What? Why?
Well, I think that the people inside that you've put inside are getting quite impatient. They're just waiting and waiting. And also, you promised that you were going to go and sort out that crash. That red tractor by the potty is still waiting for you to come and fix it.